your girl B Marie, and I'm back with another video coming at you with this beautiful look matching my outfit. Hey, so I tried to go based off my outfit and I tried to do something different with my eyes, y'all. So this is what it is. I hope that y'all enjoy this tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Today I am going based off my Puma outfit. I got this outfit like last year April in New York when I went to Amex. But it is so cute. I don't have it on right now, but I will put it on at the end. I also apply some base. This is Rumor number 2 base. I think I'm gonna apply some base. But I am going to do number 5 first, and then I'll do number 2. On this my 35A palette, and I want to take this black right here. So we're only taking this halfway. 167 brush from Morphe. So just taking it on the outer V area. Pat, never swipe. Pat the shadow on. I'm going to take it just like that. Not all the way, but just semi. Just semi. I'm gonna SUVA Beauty Papaya and take that orange on a 221 from MAC. Take this peach shade right here. It's called Suburbia. Last color that I'm going to take is Electric Slide from SUVA Beauty. I have everything down packed. It's time to go back in with each color and blend. I go back in with the orange shade. Time to cut the crease. White, and I'm gonna go all the way in the center a little bit, and this is white out of the Makeup Addiction palette. I think this is highlight. the white all the way to the middle. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to grab my peach shade. We're done with the face. I use the same thing that I used in previous tutorials, the other previous two tutorials. I'll put link in the description below. But I want to take my black shadow out of the 39A palette and we're just going to smoke it down below. I really like this brush. To go in with Chestnut for MAC. That I went in with was Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade True Story, and then MAC's lip gloss in Scarily Seen. Thank you so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this look. Like, am I giving y'all these videos or not? Give y'all these videos. I told y'all I was gonna come with these videos. I've been in the mood lately to do these videos, so yes, baby. I'm trying to get them out there. Everybody year is going great, y'all. Blessings 2019 are coming, so just keep sitting back and enjoying the ride of 2019, y'all. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's just the beginning. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.